Hey everybody, Gears here. Doesn't that look so pretty? Well, it's going away. Oops. And flat gray can be just as nice. And it does reveal some of the last few little dents that need to get done. Otherwise, this section is pretty much done until I decide whether I'm going to put the pedestal in there or not. Right now, the more paint I put on either of these pieces, the thicker they get, the more difficult it is to squeeze in, the more sanding I need to do around these edges to make sure they do fit. Benefits to putting it in now are that it'll be cast as a single piece. The drainage ramp will be integrated. I think it will be just as easy a shape to mold and cast as this is, given the various depths and heights going on here and there. We'll see. I'm still deciding. But a little more work on the ramps to get them a little smoother is definitely warranted. That's just a little too wobbly. Doesn't need to be perfect, but it does need to be a little better than that maybe. Top to bottom, 2.5 inches over there. Top to bottom, 2.5 inches over here on the inside, and then it's only 1/2 inch at the deck. That's a full 2-inch tall wall, and that's 1/2 inch at the height right there. Just about the same for this side too. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching. See ya.